Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock chats on WhatsApp. So when you, for example, have a conversation with someone that you want nobody to see and you want to actually just secure it with your passcode or with your Face ID, then here's how you can lock a WhatsApp chat. In order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So all you need to do is find the chat you want to lock, and then literally what you need to do is you want to swipe left over on the chat you want to lock, and then here at more, you will see lock chat, where you want to click on, just like this. This will pop up and you just need to click on continue, just like this. It will scan your Face ID, or you need to type in your password if you don't have Face ID enabled. And then in order to find your lock chats, all you need to do is scroll up a little bit, just like this, so you can see that lock chats will show up. You want to click on it. And then you can see right here that you have your lock chats right here, and then you can click on it and view your locked chats. To unlock a chat, all you need to do is do the same, swipe to the left, click on more and click on unlock chat, and then your chat will be unlocked again, just like that, and it will be in your normal page again. So that's how you can lock chats on WhatsApp. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.